Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap for the day. This morning I traded VXRT as my very first trade. I could not find something that I really loved. Everything was quite choppy this morning, waiting till after 15 minutes into the open. And I typically do not trade stocks that are under $10, but I saw this doing a bit of a bull flag and setting up for an ABCD pattern. And so I was watching the 1 minute chart as it was pushing off this 9 moving average, and it was consolidating for quite a while. So I went long, and my stop loss was at the low of the previous 5 minute candle, but I did not. I actually just exited half of my shares, or sold half of my shares, because I just wanted to lower my risk in this, and I thought it could possibly whip down, test the VWAP, and come up. I should have waited until it started for better confirmation when it started making new 5 minute highs and made a new 15 minute high. But that's when I added back into my position. It made a new high on the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and the strength started coming in. So I added back into my position and then partialed at the high of the day, and then near this 844 level that I had marked from the daily, and then the rest came back and stopped me out at break even. Then I traded Tesla. I was watching Tesla as it tested this daily level, and Tesla's really good about bouncing off of these previous day highs and lows. And so the volume came in and tested this previous daily level at 449, and it started pushing down. So as you can see right here, the 9 and the 20 started curling down and crossed. I took a small size short here because usually Tesla will give you a couple of opportunities to get into the trade, and so I was thinking it was going to pull back just a little bit, and that's exactly what it did. When it tried to push back up through these moving averages, it failed. And so when I could more clearly see that the 9 and the 20 was curling down and the 50 was pushing up, I added to my position, and I was able to move my stop above these moving averages. And then I took partials at a previous support level from earlier in the day and pre-market. And then my next partial was intended for this 20 moving average on the 5 minute, and was also the 100 moving average on the 1 minute. And then this crazy wick came up, stopped me out at break even, and then continued my way for a little bit. But that was my Tesla trade for today. And then I ended my day with a workhorse reversal. So it sold off really bad through the morning, and it was very extended from all the moving averages on the 5 minute chart. And a ton of volume came in, and it tried to push through this level I have marked from the daily. And after I saw this huge amount of volume come in to push down through this level I have marked, and the wick to the bottom on the 5 minute chart, when it made a new 5 minute high, I went long. And so it pushed up through this other level I had marked from the daily pretty well. So I did not take my first partial there. However, I did take it at the 50 moving average on the 1 minute chart. And then as it came back down and tested these moving averages, it came back down and was testing this 9 moving average on the 5 minute. And then you have the 9 and the 20 curling up. The 50 came down to meet it. And then it threw this hammer candle right here on the 1 minute, and it made a new high. I added into my position. And the level 2 and the price action, I thought it could possibly use this 23.25 level as a resistance. So I partialed when it tried to push up through that 23.25 level again. And then I partialed at the 100 moving average on the 1 minute chart. Let's see. Yes, 100 moving average. And then I partialed almost my entire position here at this previous daily level. And then partialed again once it started losing this previous daily level. And then once it made a new 15-minute low, I exited my entire position. Not the smoothest day, not my favorite day. I'm really loving reversals more lately. I feel like I kind of stink in the mornings. But I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.